Good morning, everybody. I am too small a person to be talked about so much by this girl. I can't justify it. I think I've been given only 10 minutes to speak on this topic, so I'll straight away go with the doing. AI, as I understand, I'm not an expert of this, as I understand, it helps in finding you new drugs, new ways of drugs, and new use of drugs in the patient. As a doctor, I understand that in my time, there used to be people who had back in going into turning. TB was rampant, to cholera, typhoid, all was rampant. The first antibiotic came in 1942 as a chloromycin. Thereafter came the doxycycline. And then it was continued line of the antibiotics that came. But it took too many years for developing one particular molecule to treat the patient. Even today, we don't have drugs to treat heart, cardiac, renal, chest diseases by only drugs. We have to go in for operation. So this is a science which will improve the availability of drugs to treat patients who are not manageable by the current process of treatment. I definitely feel that it will go a long way in treating the patient. In my profession, I can definitely appreciate. And as long as people say that it will take away the people's ability to work and reduce the employment, I don't think so. When the computer came, everybody said the employment will be less. But I think employment has gone 10 times after computers. Similarly, after this new era, the employment will be 100 times. We have one population of 140 crores, sir, and you will require so much that this small variation will not make a difference. If I can go into history. I remember dinosaurs were there thousands of years ago, and first human being appeared around 10,000 years ago. People say that something came from space and hit the earth, and the dinosaurs died. But why didn't every other animal die? Why dinosaurs only died? It is not truth. Dinosaurs died because the food available on the earth was going down. Because of the population was so high that food available on the earth was going down. And if you see it clearly, the size of the creatures has started reducing. If you take a bat today and increase it to 300 times, you will find a dinosaur there. So I don't agree with the thinking that somebody came from outside and hit the earth and then the pollution was there was mud going into air and the suffocation took place, and that's how dinosaurs finished. No, it was the availability of food. So, wishing you all the best, and my time is getting wishing you all the best, and please do learn from this particular event. If you go without learning, it will be of no use. Your books don't teach you anything. What teaches you is the conference and togetherness of this type, where people and students they get together and understand the things. Thank you very much.